Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today marks your first time you are watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification button. Whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. This is how I make my chicken samosa filling. Put your chicken inside one bowl, add 2 eggs, so you will fry it with little oil, just little drop of oil inside, and add your chicken. When you add your chicken, stir it. After cooking for some minutes, you can transfer it into strainer. Place your fry pan on the fire again, add little oil again, add ginger followed by chopped onion. After ginger and onion cook for some time, so you can add chicken, add a curry, so the curry will give you the color. Add little salt, add your seasoning, add little soy sauce, so that color will come down a little, it will not too bright. Add little sesame oil. It's ready. See you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.